we're loading the trailer and the truck with 3 cords. And normally we hand bomb them in, and we've done it this way before but had trouble, but we're resorting back to it just to make life easier. So once we get the crate picked up, which is a 1/4 cord, we use a ratchet strap that goes from one side around the back to the other side. And sometimes the crate, not the crate, but the side supports, the top supports fall or come apart as we're dumping, but that can be easily fixed when we need to use the crate again. And from there, I'm going to drive over to the trailer. You can see we got quite a bit in there now, but we're not done yet. And 99% comes out. Some at the tail end gets stuck, and then we'll just chuck those ones in. Better than throwing the whole 1/4 cord. And that's how we're loading the trailer.